Hey, it's packed in here today. There is that. Yes.
You're okay.
I don't think so. No, I don't. I've got Venmo or Cash App though.
I need only that.
Perfect. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Do you have Cash App or Venmo?
No.
Because I can. Do you have Venmo or possibly?
No. I have only so.
I can give you a 20 back if you want, or whatever you think. Because I don't have a 10 on me. That's the only problem right now. Because yeah, if you have Cash App, I can always send you. I can send you. Do you have the like? Yeah, I'll just scan your code. Or yeah, click that and then just click my code right there. Perfect. Let's see. $10. No to continue. Money. Pay. Let's see. Perfect. So it should have just went through. There we go. Perfect. Yes. Thank you. Have a good one.